What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with How to Build Credit TV, and I am back again for another How to Build Credit TV live stream. In this video, I am going to talk to you guys about how I was able to get $1,119 worth of cash back using my Navy Federal Credit Union credit card. So I was going to do a video showing you guys, and I've already kind of done this before in the past, but I decided instead of doing the video and going through all these extra steps, I would just do a live stream and show you guys here on the live stream instead. So I've been very, very fortunate to have 3 credit cards with Navy Federal Credit Union, which is my very, very most favorite credit union. I was going to say credit card issuer, but definitely my most favorite credit union because they've given me the opportunity to have 3 credit cards with them, which allows me to have $55,000 of available credit limit with just that one institution. And that's actually really, really, really huge. I think I have 7 American Express cards. 2 of those are charge cards, and then 5 of those are credit cards. And I don't know my total credit limit across the 5 cards. It might still be underneath $55,000. So that's kind of crazy. I have 3 cards with Navy Federal, and those 3 cards total $55,000 of available credit. And I have 5 credit cards with American Express, and I only, I have under 55,000. Anyway, if you're new to the channel, you guys, my name is Dwayne, and on this channel, I talk about everything you need to know about credit cards, and how to make money using credit cards. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. While you're subscribing, go ahead and smash the thumbs up in this video. It helps the channel tremendously. So I have had the fortune of having the Flagship credit card from Navy Federal Credit Union, and the Flagship card allows you to earn a flat 2% back on all of your purchases. There's no gimmicks, there's no tricks. You just get 2% back on every single purchase. There's no, like limit as far as like, once you spend $100,000, you're only going to get 1%. No, there's none of that. It's just a flat 2% back. And you would be surprised how fast 2% can add up. Now, of course, I know there are other credit cards out there that allow you the ability to earn more than just 2% back. You can probably get 3% back, 4, even 5% back. But I feel like the majority of the cards, especially once it gets above 3%, they kind of have a cap where, you can only get 4 or 5% back, after, not after, but only pertaining to a certain amount of money. Once you meet that limit, you're not able to get more than that back. So anyway, like I said, I was about to do a video showing you guys like I did the last time. And so if you have an account with Navy Federal, and you have one of their credit cards, of course, you can choose to redeem your points as cash, and that's what I'm going to do. So just to show you guys here, I'm going to log into my account here with Navy Federal, and I'm going to show you guys that I have a lot of points. Okay, I'm going to click on my account here. Give me 1 second as I pull it up. Okay, so I got it pulled up here, and it's thinking. All right, here we go. So I'll show you guys there on the screen. Yeah, right there. On the other side. On the other side, it says 119 right here. 119,379 points, right? So that's going to basically equate to 1,119, something like that. It'll be basically that divided by 100. And so that's pretty cool. And inside the app, it's very easy to redeem it, right? So you would touch on the rewards. I just touched on it right here, and it's just giving you the option to redeem rewards. Then I'm going to touch on that. And I'm going to do it right here because the cool thing is Navy Federal puts the money directly into your savings account, and you get it pretty quick. They tell you, I think maybe it can take up to 48 hours, but the last time I did it, it was around like 12 o'clock in the afternoon, and I got it by the end of the day, like around 5 something the same day. So today's going to be a little different. It's already 5 something Central Time here in Houston. But anyway, so you guys can see there, my available points is 119,379. And then, of course, I'm going to just scroll down to the bottom to where it says cash because I want cash. So it says cash there at the bottom, right there. Okay, so I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on that and choose cashback because that's what I want. Then it's asking me to move the slider and select how much I want. This is so sad, you guys. I'm so hurt. So I'm not going to be getting back how much I thought I was. I can only get back, I can only redeem the 100,000 points right now. So I'll do 1,000. And then, of course, I can come back and probably do like 100 or maybe like 110 or something. So let's do the 1,000 right now and see what happens. So I slid it over. It's going to be direct deposited into my account. I clicked on continue. It's verifying my savings account. Let's see. Can I put it in my checking? Nope, I cannot. It's going to put it into my savings account with Navy Federal since that's the main account. Then I'm going to acknowledge and I'm going to click on redeem now. They're going to also email me. Okay, so it said that it's being processed and I have remaining 19,000 and something points. All right, so just to kind of show you guys that what I'm talking about there. Right there, it says I have 19,379 points remaining. And of course, I think I can redeem that. I'm not sure, but I want to figure it out like right now, just because that'd be kind of cool if I can redeem the remainder of that. I know they won't let me, they're not going to let you redeem like $119. You know what I mean? It's going to basically round it up to maybe just 100. And so right now I'm logging back in because I'm just curious. So right now I'm back inside and it says I have available points. I'm going to click on, scroll down and click on cash. I'm going to click on cash. Then I'm going to click on cash back. And then I'm going to move the slider. Let's see. Okay, so it says allow 1 business day, right? So I just moved the slider all the way, and right now I can only do another $150, right? So I'm gonna do another 150 right now with you guys. I'm gonna click continue. Same info, it's asking me the savings account, my email address. I'm gonna click on OK. I'm gonna click that I acknowledge, and I'm gonna click redeem now. And of course, this is being processed. So now I only have remaining 4,379 points. Sorry, you guys, 4,379 points. Okay, so that's $1,150 that's going to be credited into my savings account on Navy Federal. And like I said, the website claims that it can take up to a day, but it will be in my savings account. And just for grins, I'll show you guys my balance right now in my savings account. So my savings account balance is $1.47. So, by the way, guys, that's a crack on my phone screen protector, not my actual phone screen. In case you guys are worried, I need to replace the screen protector. But my balance is $1.47. So at a later date, I will make sure that I jump on here and show you guys that that money has been credited, has been directly deposited into my savings account. Once again, that's going to be $1,150 is what the total will be, plus my $1.47. But I just wanted to make a video showing how powerful cashback is, or when you have the ability to earn points or earn just direct, straight up cashback, it really adds up. And I know that I have mentioned in the past for that particular card, the Flagship card from Navy Federal Credit Union, I actually have some of my dad's purchases from his business on that credit card. Not all of his purchases. I wish I did, because I was like, dude, you need to put all your purchases on credit cards so we can, you can earn like hella cash back. And I told him that a couple of years ago, actually, and he finally let me jump on there and do that for some of his purchases and some of his transactions. And I told him, I was like, you can easily earn enough cash back to pay for plane tickets to Jamaica. So $1,100, I mean, that's at least 2 round trip tickets to Jamaica. So a lot of that that you guys just saw, maybe I'd say probably 80% of that, or maybe even 85% of that was probably from my dad's purchases, which to me, it just makes sense. You know, like if you have the ability to earn points or just earn cash back directly, it just makes sense to do it, because I mean, we get nothing for using our checks and our debit cards, you know, other than with a debit card, it comes out of your account instantly, right? So a lot of people still like that. They don't have the discipline that it takes, or they don't want to, you know, worry about it. They feel like it's a hassle to use your credit card and then pay the credit card off. Whereas somebody such as myself, you know, I like to get free money. You know, I basically am getting some points or some money from using my credit card, and it just makes perfect sense to me. And to somebody else, not so much. But as far as I see it, that's like somebody not liking onions and me loving onions. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going to judge that person because they don't like onions. They just don't like onions. Like, whoop-de-doo. But I do. It's funny that I used onions as an example, because I didn't eat onions for the longest time. As a matter of fact, the very first time I ate onions was in 2003. And I remember I was at a restaurant and there were these onion rings and they looked real good. And I was like, you know, man, I'm gonna get on these onions. I'm gonna try this onion ring stuff. And it's funny because my dad doesn't like onions, and I'm pretty sure like by default that kind of influenced how I felt about onions. But yeah, once again, if they don't like onions, I don't judge them. You know what I mean? Onions is not for everybody. Anyway, I'm gonna jump into the comment section here. I see you guys are in here talking it up. I appreciate you guys so much. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. This live stream is not going to be insanely long. I just really wanted to make a video showing you guys that, you know, I have a substantial amount of points that I can redeem in regards to my credit card with Navy Federal Credit Union. And that particular card is the Flagship card, right? So the Flagship card has an annual fee of $45. I was going to say $49. Has an annual fee of $45. I mean, that's insanely cheap. And of course, there are benefits to having that particular card. They do give you global entry or TSA pre-check. If you use your Flagship card, they will reimburse you for that membership. And also, at the time that I got mine, there was a 40,000 points sign-up offer. I think it was 40,000 points after spending $4,000 in 3 months. Now I think the sign-up offer is $130 for Amazon Prime, like $130 statement credit. So you basically will sign up for Amazon Prime, but sign up for the entire year. Don't sign up for the monthly stuff. Sign up for the entire year, and they'll reimburse you for your membership for Amazon Prime for a year. And then, of course, the global entry and the TSA pre-check, you still are able to get that credit. So that $45 a month, $45 for the annual fee, you're getting your value for that $45 annual fee just in the TSA pre-check or global entry membership, and also in the Amazon Prime membership that they reimbursed you for. So it's a pretty decent card. It's not going to be the card that I would tell you to get first with Navy Federal. It will be the card that I would tell you to get third. Okay, the first card would be the Cash Rewards. If you, for some reason, skip the secured card, it would be Cash Rewards, more rewards, and then the Flagship card from Navy Federal Credit Union. But anyway, I'm gonna jump into the comment section here, and once again, if you guys are new, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, ask those questions. I'll try my best to answer them. I'm by no means a guru. I'm just somebody out here sharing my experiences with you guys, and everybody wins, including me. So be sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel. Mr. Patel says, my brother, hope you're doing well on this Friday, Junior. Yes, sir. Looking forward to the weekend. It's been a long week. Man, I'm doing great. This week has been rather interesting. I haven't hustled as much as I wanted in regards to Uber. As a matter of fact, I got an Uber video that I need to share on the channel. I think I already edited it. I don't remember. I got like 4 videos I need to edit. But this week has been interesting for me too. I haven't done a full day of driving Uber this week. I think I'm only at like, I don't know, like 300 and something bucks. It's really sad. I'm gonna log into the Uber app right now and check with you guys. Oh snap! I'm not even at $300. I'm at $245 for the week right now on Uber, and I've been logged into the app for 18 hours. I did 31 trips, and they actually had a promo this week, but I didn't even take advantage of the promo. They had a promo last weekend, and the promo was if I completed 70 trips, they would give me 130 bucks. So you see it says promotions, and it says 130 bucks. And that was Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And I went pretty aggressively, and I'm pretty sure that I'm still tired from that, even though today's Thursday. So that was the long version of the answer. I'm doing great, man. I know what you're saying in regards to the weekend. I'm kind of curious what the traffic might be like driving Uber Sunday, since it's Super Bowl day, but we'll see. I don't know if I'll go out there and do all that. What's going on, Mr. Young? Joshua in the building says, so what you saying is you're balling. I mean, I'm balling with my daddy's money. 85% of that is his money. The good news is my dad's not insanely fussy. Like, to him, he's like, I'm not really losing any money, right? Because he wasn't getting any cash back for all the purchases he made anyway. And the crazy part is that's not all of the purchases, right? That's not all of the stuff that he's responsible for or that he pays for. If we did that, he would have a lot of cash back. So I just basically did that because I wanted, him to be able to get a ticket to Jamaica. Even if he goes to Jamaica twice a year or 3 times a year, at least 1 or 2 of those times will be absolutely free, just based on some of his transactions in his business. So I don't know about the balling part. Matthew, what's going on, my bro? Thanks for stopping by the video, my man. I don't know if you're still in the live stream, but I caught a bit of your video yesterday. I think you were doing a live, and you were talking about some of the stock market stuff. And that was cool. Dude, you had hella viewers in the video, man. At one time when I saw it, you had like 11,000 viewers. Man, that's got to feel really, really cool. That's cool, man. Congratulations, bro. If you guys haven't subscribed to Matthew's channel, go to his channel, subscribe to his channel, click the notification bell. Not that he needs any more subs, but I support you, my brother. Thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure to have you in the house. New Founding Fathers, what's going on, man? It's been a while since I've seen you. Thanks for stopping by. Jessica says, that's awesome. I love Navy Federal. Yeah, me too, Jessica. Navy Fed is absolutely up there for me. As a matter of fact, I'm going to check right now with American Express and see what my available credit limits are across all my cards. I don't remember off the top of my head. Like I said, I have 7 cards with American Express. 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Okay, so I have a 3,000 limit. I have a 5,000. That's 8. I have 11,000. All right, let's see. 11 plus 8 plus 15 plus 1 more, I think. What is that limit? Let's see. That limit is 6 plus 6. So I have $40,000 of available credit with American Express credit cards. Once again, I have 5 credit cards, and I have $40,000 of available credit limit across the American Express cards, and $55,000 across 3 credit cards from Navy Federal. So I mean, I'm not saying that like, oh my God, American Express sucks, but I'm just saying like, I'm pretty much in a nice place with Navy Federal. As a matter of fact, I have a little more than 55,000 because I think one of my cards, I got a credit limit increase a little while back, so I wasn't calculating that, but it's like $58,000 of available credit, which is pretty sweet. I can't complain. Win Twin, what's going on, my bro? Thanks for stopping by. It says, haven't been a part of your live stream since 2020. Happy New Year, bro. Hey, that's funny, man. I appreciate you stopping by. It's always a pleasure to have you in the house, man. Thanks a lot. New Founding Father says, does Amex run a hard pull when asking for a credit limit increase? And who do they use to check your credit, like FICO 9 or 8, etc.? No, normally the request for a credit limit increase through American Express, there's no inquiry. There's actually no inquiry for applying for a new credit card with American Express as well. At least that's been my experience. I don't know if something has changed in 2021. You know, it's February 4th in 2021. I have not applied for an American Express card. Not to mention, I cannot get any more credit cards with American Express. As far as who they check, they normally pull from Experian normally. And in regards to if it's FICO 8 or 9, I don't know. That is actually a very solid question. If somebody knows the answer to that, feel free to slap that in the comment section. King Nip says, I do have a question. It was brung into Navy Fed by a friend that I live with. My account be audited, and will I get kicked out of the federal union? Please tell me your input. Thank you. Dude, I have no idea. I'm not exactly sure. I'm assuming you're saying that you have an account because you have a friend that lives with you and they have a Navy federal account. So I think you're saying you have an account with them as well. I mean, worst case scenario, you won't have the ability to have the relationship with Navy Federal. That's worst case, right? But there are other banks out there that's pretty good as well. PenFed is a pretty good one as well. And you know, you can always, there's always other options. So as far as what will actually happen, I don't know. I could not tell you. If you're watching the video and you haven't smashed the thumbs up yet, please smash the thumbs up in this video. I would really appreciate that. Luis, what's going on, bro? Says, I got offered a Saver One credit card, but Capital One will not allow me to upgrade my Quicksilver card. Should I apply or hold off? If you only have one credit card with Capital One, then I would say apply for the Saver card. It's not necessarily a bad thing that you can't upgrade, because if you upgraded to the Saver One or the Saver card, you wouldn't get the sign-up offer, okay? And if they're offering a sign-up offer, it's okay. Apply for it and you'll get the sign-up offer, but you won't get a sign-up offer when you upgrade your card. Marcus, what's going on, bro? I appreciate you stopping by. Says, what's up, Dwayne? How you been? I am good. I'm just trying to keep my energy positive, keep hustling, keep grinding. I'm insanely good. And I'm just, it's funny, like, you know, 2020 started and I'm like, man, I'm gonna get it this year. You know, like, I'm gonna hustle this year. I don't think I've ever really had a goal of becoming a millionaire before. It was never something that seemed attainable. It was never something that was really on my mind. But of late, I am very intrigued by that, and I want to push the envelope. I want to do that and see if I can get that accomplished. But more importantly, other than doing that, I want to have the ability to set my kids up as well. And not just set them up like just give them money. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, you know, I got some success and here you guys go. No, I want to teach them how to fish for themselves as well. I want to show them how to do it. And so I'm doing great, man. I'm in a positive space. I hope you're doing well. JB, what's going on, my man? It's a pleasure to see you again. It's been a while, my brother. Shoe Lady 64, thank you so much for stopping by. She says, hi, everyone. Miss Gatlin, how are you doing, ma'am? Thank you so much for stopping by the stream. It's a pleasure to have you in the building. Points Blank Travel, what's going on, bro? Says, what's up, Dwayne and Credit Family? Yes, sir. It's a pleasure to have you in the building. Guys, be sure to go to Points Blank YouTube channel and subscribe to his channel as well. He does videos on this wonderful platform. So be sure to go to his channel, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Jessica says, it took 24 hours for my redemption. Cool. Like I said, when I remember, you know, maybe it'll probably be Monday's live stream or something. If I remember, I'll show you guys that the money is actually in my savings account. So I'm actually kind of excited about that. I mean, like, that's real money, you know, just for using the credit card, you know, instead of my debit card. And of course, paying it off and being responsible. One Cool Cat says, what up, Dwayne? Just log out and log back in and your balance will be refreshed. Really? I don't think so. That'd be cool if it was that quick. I don't think that's going to be the case, but let me try your method. One cool cat. Let's see here. Logging in now. Eventually. Nah, it's not there yet. That's cool though. I mean, it's not there yet. My balance is still $1.47. Let's see here. Let's see. King Nip says, "Oh, Dwayne, what's up, man? I got my secured card approved yesterday, and I put 5K on it following your footsteps. Thank you for making these videos." Hey, no worries, bro. Let me just tell you, you're talking about following footsteps. Let me just tell you that you should not expect them to increase your credit limit once you are promoted from the secured card to the unsecured. Okay, so the unsecured is going to be the cash rewards, right? Don't expect a credit limit increase. I experienced that with Navy Federal Credit Union, and I also experienced it when I had the Discover It secured credit card when I maxed it out at $2,500. So the good news is, I guess you maxed it out. Your $5,000 is going to be sitting there, and that's not really good news. But at least you didn't do like 2,000 and then did another 500, because I don't know why, but Navy Federal does a hard inquiry when you add money to your secured credit card. That's kind of weird. Joshua says, "Yeah, I've been waiting for Navy Federal offer to come through, not trying to apply." I hear you, man. We got to be still impatient, and sometimes that's very, very hard. It's very hard. I'm talking from experience. Sean, what's going on, bro? Says, "Hey, Dwayne, how are you? How are you? Like button has been smashed." I'm good, my bro. Clearly my brain's slow. I'm like working really slow. Today I was off to a slow start. I started driving Uber at like 7 o'clock, and I really wanted to start like at 5, and I only made, I think it's like $106 today. I mean, but that's because I decided to stop when I did too. It was just kind of slow, and I was like, all right, I'm just gonna stop. But I'm doing good, man. I appreciate you smashing that thumbs up. Shatera, forgive me if it's Shatera or Shytera. Forgive me for saying your name incorrectly. Says, "Hey, Dwayne, how are you? I'm great. Let me know how to say your name, because I don't want to keep butchering it if I'm saying it wrong." Shoe Lady says, "I hit the thumbs up. Thank you, ma'am." D Anderson, what's going on? Says, "Wagwan D," and I guess you're saying, "and bless to all in the chat." Yes, my man. I appreciate you stopping by, bro. It's always a pleasure to have another Jamaican in the building. Joseph says, "Hey, Dwayne, I'm as a question I asked you in the last live, but not sure if you responded, so I'm gonna ask you again." Okay, so I know why. All right. Marcus says, "Smash the thumbs up. Does anyone know kind credit score you need to get Care Credit, and if a good to get?" I don't really know a lot about Care Credit, to be honest with you, Marcus. I've heard about it though. Joseph said, "So I have great credit. I have about a 760 FICO score. I have Navy with 25,000 and 5 other cards adds up to about 40,000. I owe nothing. So should I get a personal loan and get it to the side and pay it off? So something shows up on my account." No, I wouldn't worry about it. I wouldn't get a personal loan unless you needed it, or unless you not even out. Just get a personal loan if you need it. There's no need to get a personal loan for the sense of having your credit mix or a different type of thing report to your credit report. It's not going to have the effect that you think it would. Credit mix is only 10% of your score anyway. It's 85 points. If it were based on an 850 scoring, points. If it was based on 850 points, it's only 85 points. Lisa H, thank you so much for stopping by. Says, "Dwayne, how are you? I am great. Thank you so much for stopping by the stream. I appreciate you very much." King Nip says, "Do you think it's a good idea to get to use my secured card a lot and gain points or whatnot? I can pay it weekly or every 2 weeks. Let me know what you think I should do in your opinion." If I were you, I think it's okay to pay it weekly. I absolutely would encourage you to use the card a lot. You can never go wrong by doing that. If you want to pay it weekly, that's cool. For the most part, I end up paying my cards weekly. Of late, I've had a lot of traffic on my credit cards because I'm doing Uber, and I'm kind of changing different cards every time I buy gas. I've kind of slowed down on my gas purchases just because I've slowed down on Uber a little bit. But every time I buy gas, I use a different credit card. So I would say whatever works for you, once you figure it out, go for it. Darnell, what's going on, my bro? Thank you so much for stopping by. It's a pleasure to have you in the building, sir. Angel, man, haven't seen you in a minute. What's going on, bro? Angel says, rude boy. Yo, Angel, it's a pleasure to see you again, my man. Says, what's up? Yes, sir, man. I'm good, bro. It's good to have you in the building. Let's see. Okay, King Nip. I got you, bro. I appreciate you. And he said thanks for the videos. Yeah, yes, sir. Jay Bennett says, I got approved for the Apple Card, $5,500, no annual fees, great cashback. Awesome. Congratulations. It's kind of weird. I feel like I haven't hit the horn in a long time. Does the horn still work? There it is. Congratulations, bro. That is really, really cool, man. Let's see. Darnell says, what are some good business credit cards for startup business? Just got my LLC. There are a couple of places you can get business credit cards. Supposedly, you can get a business credit card with Wells Fargo. You can get one with BBVA. Of course, you can. I would, if I were to suggest the best route to go, I would have since you just got your LLC, I would create a business account with Chase. Go on Google and Google Chase Business checking bonus. Okay, so there may be a sign up offer. I did mine in 2020, and it's actually kind of funny because I got a $500 sign up offer for having $2,500 balance in the account for like 60 days or 90 days, 60 days. And I completed 5 debit card transactions. So I would go with Chase. Get the sign up offer if the business sign up offer exists on Google. Sign up. If it's a $1,500 minimum and you have to have $1,500 for 60 days or 90 days, do it and complete the 5 debit card transactions, and you'll get $300 or $200, whatever the offer is. Do that, and then of course you can filter your business purchases and all of that stuff through your business checking account. You want to make sure you maintain that balance, whatever the balance has to be, and then just do your transactions through that account. And then after maybe like 6-8 months, then try to get a credit card through Chase. Try to get a business card through Chase. That's kind of the route I would go. That's like the best one, to be honest with you, if I am being straightforward. Miss Pollard, thank you so much for becoming a channel member. Let's go. Thank you. I appreciate that a lot. That means a lot to me. As a channel member, you do have the ability to go to my channel. So you click on How to Build Credit TV. Then, of course, there'll be different categories at the top. Click on the Community tab. And when you click on the Community tab, there will be some video links, some video URLs that only channel members can see. So you can click and watch those videos that are available for channel members there to watch. There should be at least 5 videos there, maybe more than 5. I don't remember if I made them private, but for sure there should be at least 5 videos there. So I appreciate you becoming a channel member. Jesus says, just make a transfer to my account and you'll see the balance. Yeah, man. If it was only that easy, right? Natural Nisi says, I had a secure card with Navy Fed that just graduated. Can I ask for a credit limit for a credit increase? Also, I applied for cash rewards. Got approved. Just wondering, do I wait 91 days? In regards to asking for a credit limit increase, I wouldn't worry about it. You just got approved for another card, which is awesome. Congratulations. And then if and when you decide to do the credit limit increase, do it in the app. Don't call and ask. Do it in the app. It is not a hard inquiry. At least in my experience, it was not a hard inquiry when I did it in the app. This was back in 2020. So I would do it in the app instead of calling and asking. And quite honestly, I would just wait like 4 months, and like you could try to limit increase on the secure card, but make sure you have not the secure card because it graduated, right? Make sure you have some activity on the card though. Like, don't ask for a credit limit increase if you haven't used the card at all. Okay. Once again, do it in the app. Do not do it, online or like with a person. Walter, what's going on, bro? It's a pleasure to see you. Says, what up, Dwayne and Credit Family. Luis says, I'm going to open a secured card with Bank of America. What dollar amount should I open the account with, and should I add the card over time? Should I add to the card over time? P.S. The Saver One card does not have a sign-up bonus. First of all, thanks for clearing that up, Luis. I appreciate you, my man. In regards to the Saver One card not having a sign-up bonus, thank you for clearing that up. In regards to the secured card with Bank of America, make sure you get the cash rewards. The cash rewards secured card with Bank of America. I would say no more than $500, unless you're going. You already know that you're going to be making purchases over $500. Enough purchases to justify putting in more than $500 because the money's just going to sit there, right? So I would do 500. Anywhere from 300 to 500 is a good amount. Tara, thank you so much for stopping by. It's a pleasure to have you in the building. She says hello. She says evening, everyone. Evening. All right, Tara, I see you. Fana 740. Hello. Thanks for stopping by another video. It's been a while since I've seen you. I appreciate you very much. King Nip says, I am not worrying about an increase after graduation because I rather have the 5G. Help me with the credit and build the relationship than sit in the shoebox and not do nothing for me. Feel me? Yes, sir. I got you, man. I got you. Shiteria. I hope I said that right. Yo, I hope I said that right. Shiteria. Forgive me if I said it wrong still. Trini Cruz, what's going on, man? Says, I applied and was approved for $5,000 with Navy Federal Go Rewards Blue Card. In 6 months, should I request a credit line increase or apply for the Navy Amex? If I were you, I would do, and first of all, congratulations, my man. 6 months is a wonderful time length to wait before applying for the next card. That's very, very smart and mature. I would go with the more rewards instead of the flagship. So I would do the more rewards. Make sure you have a sign-up offer. Don't be applying for these cards without a sign-up offer. I think when I did mine, it was 30,000. Maybe it was 25,000 points. I'm not sure. Let's see. The Black Cleaner Restorer says 558 score, 615 FICO score, looking to take a HOLIC or equity loan on my cash home to help my business. Please help. Dude, first of all, the best thing to do is to try to establish a relationship with Navy Federal Credit Union if possible. If not, it may be in your best interest to establish a relationship, a banking relationship with a bank that you want to have a relationship with. The Bank of America is okay. Chase is definitely okay as well. The thing about your particular situation is it's going to take time, and a lot of us don't want to be patient. And, myself included, I've been there, done that, but it's going to take time. So try to be patient and not do a whole bunch of different things at one time and get a whole bunch more inquiries on your credit report. Dalton, what's going on, man? Thank you so much for stopping by the stream. I appreciate you very much. Look at this, man. I haven't seen this brother in I don't know how long. Mr. Anderson, what's going on, bro? Thank you so much for stopping by the stream, my brother. It's been a minute. It says, what's up, Dwayne and the How to Build Credit TV family? Yes, sir. I appreciate you, my man. Points Blank Travel out here. Man, listen, I gotta send love right back to you, bro. First of all, thank you for that $10 super chat. More than likely, when I send you a super chat, I'm just gonna do it on Cash App because I don't need to do it on YouTube, and I definitely, I want you to get 100% of the 100% of the super chat. All right, so I appreciate you. It says just showing some love, brother. Thanks for everything you do, my man. Yes, sir. Respect, man. I appreciate that. Tommy Rogers says, I have a question. I have the Navy Federal Secure card. How long does it take to unsecure? I have heard 2 answers in 3 months. Dude, it's based on everybody. It's based on that specific person in that specific case and your specific credit profile. So I've heard somebody say that they were promoted after 4 months, 5 months. For me, it was 6 months. All of that's irrelevant because it's going to be what it's going to be for you. My best advice is to use the card a lot, pay it. That's it, you know, and just kind of wait. I mean, that's the only thing. I can't really give you a solid answer on that. Rod, what's going on, bro? Says, what's up, Dwayne? It's a pleasure to see you again in another stream, my brother. King says, King Nip says, thanks so much for answering all my questions. I hit that like button. Okay, sweet, man. First of all, I appreciate all the help and all the people that are being very active, interactive in regards to answering questions in the live chat. I appreciate y'all so much. Once again, if you guys have questions, I would love the opportunity to ask them. This video, like I said, it's not going to be, you know, a long live stream. As a matter of fact, I'm going to be wrapping it up here pretty soon, but I do want the opportunity to answer your questions. I did the video and I did the live stream just because it was easier to do, but I wanted to show you guys what's possible in regards to cashback, man. It's mind-boggling to me that a lot more people don't jump on this, whether it's cashback or it's points. You know, I have a crap ton of points in regards to like American Express and different cards that I have. It just makes sense, you know. Let's just take the extra step it takes to be a little bit more responsible. And yes, you got to pay your credit card bill, you know, maybe 1 or 2 times more than you're used to paying, but I think it's worth it. You know what I mean? I think it's worth it, and I don't ever get tired of sharing this type of content because, once again, there's always a bunch of new people. There's always a bunch of new eyeballs. So we need to educate as much as possible. Listen, if you haven't smashed a thumbs up in this video, please smash the thumbs up. We have 81 people in here and only 52 thumbs up. What up with that? Smash the thumbs up if you haven't already done so. That boy Matthew out here giving us super chat. Matthew, I appreciate you, bro. Matthew says, I will always welcome new subscribers. Are you doing Uber and Uber Eats? Thank you for the shout out, by the way. I'm only doing Uber. I haven't really experimented with Uber Eats yet. Uber's like super easy for me. I feel like Uber Eats might be more because the tips. But Uber Eats is a little more work. You know what I'm saying? I got to get out and go into the restaurant and, you know, pick up the order, you know, and then I have to walk it to somebody's apartment door and put it right there on their kitchen counter. Like, it's just, I don't know. I mean, Uber Eats wise, you know, I'll get to exercise. Uber, the driving aspect of Uber, you know, Uber rides, man, my freaking hip hurts. My leg hurts, my butt hurts. It's weird. But I've been sitting in the car a lot, you know, like in the video that I made that I haven't uploaded yet, showing how much money I made in 1 week of hustling. Man, it takes a while and I'm not used to it yet. My body isn't used to it yet. Hopefully I'll get used to it. Even right now, I'm kind of in pain, but we'll see how it goes. I like it. I like the freedom of it. I like that I don't have to answer to anyone. It's on my terms, and you know, whenever I don't want to work, I don't work, and it's really, really simple. But more importantly, I have goals. I'm being hella aggressive in regards to my finances, and so that's kind of why I'm doing it also. Appreciate that $5 super chat, Matthew. Let's see. Just call me Shy. Okay, yes, ma'am. I will call you Shy. Thank you so much for helping me because you know I need help. I'm needy. Rod says, got good news. Just got a 19,000 credit limit with PenFed. Awesome, Rod. Congratulations, my brother. That is good news. Let's test this horn out again. All right. I don't know why I do that when I hit the horn, but I do. Let's see. King says, I used to do Uber Eats before I went to jail, but when I got out, my crime popped up, so they told me I can't do it no more anymore. Man, first of all, thanks for being transparent, bro. How did you find Uber Eats though? Did you like it? You know, what did it make sense for you money wise? Was it worth the energy? Shai says, have you tried the pledge loan from Navy Federal? Is it worth it? I have not, but that's just because I haven't. There's a lot of things that I haven't tried, and honestly, I shouldn't be doing anything right now other than sitting still. Like right now, I should be resting because my plan is to get up tomorrow and start driving Uber at 4:30 in the morning, just because I'm hungry and I need at least one day where I've made $200 in one day. So that's another reason why I'm going to end this stream here pretty soon, because your boy needs to rest. Ulysses, what's going on, my man? Thanks for stopping by. Says, sorry I'm late. What did I miss? What I missed? Look at your video on the replay. You didn't really miss much. I'm just showing and talking about the fact that I was able to earn quite a bit of cash back on my flagship card from Navy Federal Credit Union. And I actually showed redeeming $1,150 into my savings account. Now, the money's not there in the savings account yet, but it will be. And when I remember, I'll share that with you guys on one of my future live streams. Michael, we got KC in the building. KC Tigers in the house, man. I appreciate you, bro. It's a pleasure to see you again. It's been a while. BML Killer, what's going on, my man? Thank you so much for stopping by the stream and taking the time to slap that thumbs up on the screen. I appreciate you, sir. King Nip says, hell yeah, I did it after work most days, and on the weekends it was super lit. Promotions be hitting. Yeah, I mean, dude, the promotion that Uber had for me after doing 70 trips, I got $130 after doing 70 trips. Don't get me wrong, the 70 trips is really hard to do, just because, you know, depending on where you are, and if you're in a busy spot, you know, with Uber, you're like, oh, I'll just camp out right here and do these little short trips and take people from restaurant to restaurant or from their house to the restaurant. And then you get a trip that takes you 20 miles away from that awesome plan that you had, you know. So it's kind of hard sometimes to work out. Michael says, I did the share pledge loan with Navy Fed, paid it down dramatically, got a good points bump in my FICO score. Awesome, Michael. I appreciate you sharing that, bro. D. Anderson says, my peeps going to relax and listen to the Quiet Storm. There you go, my man. Quiet Storm. That's a good one. Respect, my brother. Respect, bro. Belly512 says, how can I get into Navy Fed without a sponsor? You cannot, for the most part. David E says, Dwayne Wagwan, Rose Go Amex. I know it's a Navy Fed video show. So my brother got in with Navy Fed, and his first car, $1,000. 4 months later, $3,000, and had him apply for the second car, $20K. Good, man. That is good, man. I appreciate you, Rose Gold Amex. That's funny. I appreciate you, man. I appreciate you stopping by the stream. It's always a pleasure to have you in the building. Owen says, hey, Dwayne, just got the Navy Federal. More rewards, $22,100. Congratulations, man. That is freaking dope. I'm always going to be a cheerleader for Navy Fed. You know, if I could do just Navy Federal videos and only do Navy Fed videos and still have like, you know, people that cared about seeing just Navy Federal videos, I would. Navy Federal and American Express, I can talk about those two, and Discover Card. I can talk about those three all day long. But, you know, I have to try to do a little bit more than that and try to educate people as well. Anyway, that's going to be it for me, you guys. I appreciate y'all stopping in with me and sharing. I hope you guys have an incredible evening, an incredible rest of your week. Let's see. We got Kenneth on the screen. Says, what's up, D? Got approved for the Navy Fed flagship card with eight inquiries. Is that what you're saying? 5,000 credit limit increase. Awesome, bro. I'm sorry, 5,000 credit limit. Congratulations on that, my man. King Nip says, I got one negative left on my TransUnion. Anybody suggest possibly help me get it off? Man, I don't really do anything when it comes to the inquiries. I'm like the worst person to kind of talk about that with. But, you know, good luck. Keep searching. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to end it right here. You guys, please have an incredible one. Mr. Patel says, of course, the Rose Gold Amex comes back now when I'm not in position to get it. First of all, that Rose Gold Amex is nothing special. I had to apply for it because, Rose Gold, is metal card, blah, blah, blah. So that was the first gold card that I got, was the Rose Gold. And because I'm really vain, right, and I don't want to leave any mysteries, right? I'm thinking about Dave Chappelle, one of his stand-ups, and he was talking about, like the crack epidemic or whatever that was going on in Maryland, and he was like, everybody had crack on them, like somebody, basically was laying there, and he's like, I'm gonna sprinkle some crack on me, because I don't want to leave no mysteries. But I digress. I don't want to leave any mysteries in regards to the gold card. I'm so vain that the Rose Gold card, is kind of pinkish, right? So I was like, nah, you know what? I don't know if people know this is a gold card, so I'm just going to go with the traditional gold card because there's no mysteries. We know that the traditional gold card is a gold card. But the Rose Gold, it was all right. I mean, I had it, so it was all right. Mingus Man says, should I get Navy Federal and Rewards card? That's all I was pre-approved for, then move up. Yeah, absolutely. I think you should get that card if you're okay with applying for that. If for some reason you don't get approved for that card, just go ahead and put like $300 in the savings account and apply for the secured card. Angel, take care, my brother. Appreciate you stopping by. Says, night always. Thanks for the awesome content. Night, everybody. Yes, sir. Points Blank says, much love and respect, brother. Blessings and prosperity on your Uber journey tomorrow, bro. Yeah, I'm a hustler. I gotta get it. I gotta get it, man. This money's out here. I gotta get it. Shazovacation says, can you get approved for the Navy Federal without sponsor or being a member? No, you have to get in there first to be able to get approved for any of their cards. Eric NYC says, hey Dwayne, I got the Navy Fed Cash Rewards Visa on credit line is 1,000. Credit limit is 1,000. Score 737 and a 731. Can I ask to raise my limit? Eric, if I were you, I would wait at least 4 months and don't ask. Do the credit limit increase on the app, okay? It's not a hard inquiry. If you call and ask them, it's going to be a hard inquiry. So do the credit limit increase request on the app. So log into your Navy Federal account and then click on your card and do the increase that way. Please make sure you're using the snot out of that card before asking for a credit limit increase. You know what I'm saying? Be sure you're using the card a lot. If possible, use it, pay it off, use it, pay it off. So that way, if your limit is $1,000 and you have a lot of activity on the card, that's going to be easier for them to give you a limit increase. So that's kind of my advice and my 2 cents on that. I know you guys want me to stay here and chat with you guys all night about Navy Fed. Like I said, I could totally do it, but your boy needs to rest because I'm getting up at like 4 tomorrow morning to drive Uber because the grind doesn't stop. You know what I mean? Anyway, I hope you guys have an incredible day, an incredible week, an incredible weekend. Enjoy the Super Bowl if you guys are watching that, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Once again, my name is Dwayne with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace. Later, guys.